lunch. Oh, you gotta wash your hands before you come in.
Salad? That's not lunch.
Each year, thousands of seasonal travelers suffer from a condition known as SNS, more commonly referred to as stinky nomad syndrome. The good news is that there is a cure. Visit herosoapcompany.com today and help batch end the scourge of needless funk, while also helping veterans in need. Just pick your soap and enter batch at checkout for your discount and help a vet today. It's that easy.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years, and it means a lot. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Hey everyone, I came home basically a day and a half early because I had no service at all at the lake for 2 days. I mean, literally none. Where before I was getting a little bit, and then all of a sudden I didn't get any. So I came home, and when I came home, I found out that my RV park is having an ice cream social, and then we're going to have fireworks. So I'm going to be doing that tonight and visiting with some of my neighbors I haven't seen in a while. And then I'm going to get inside and clean up everything that I got and put things away from this camping trip. But I am in the morning going to be going back to see Carolyn, which is going to be part of this video in the morning, which you'll see after this for tonight. So, with that said, I had a wonderful time with Carolyn, RV Rebel Girl. We had a blast, but when you ain't got no service, and I can't even read my books, I can't play any music, I can't play my games, can't even see y'all's channels, can't do anything, but just sit there, I kind of got a little bored. So, and I wanted to get a video started. So by the time you see this, you're going to see a whole bunch of other videos already. Alright, but let me turn this around and give you guys a panning view of what we're doing so far right now. So hold on. The owners of the RV park is Deb and Carl Crockett, and Debbie also makes these awesome ice creams, and which I'll go over there and ask her in a moment if I can do a quick video of which ice cream she had. But I had the banana split. Oh, it was awesome. And I think she has orange sherbet, and I think she has chocolate, and one other flavor, maybe vanilla. But I'll find out and I'll let you all know. But we're going to be having the fireworks out over this way, so I got my seat over here, and I'll show you all the fireworks. So I'll be back in a bit. Well, people, I am with Deb Crockett. She's one of the owners of Crockett Frontier RV Campgrounds. So, and let me turn the camera around, and I'm going to introduce you, and I'm going to show you the ice cream she made. So, hold on. Well, this
It's not
is
looking good now, though.
Huh?
It's not looking good now, though.
Yeah. This is Deb Crockett. Say hi, Deb.
Hello. Hi, Deb.
Hi, Deb. But she made these awesome ice creams. For this ice cream social, it's vanilla. What's all in this one?
That's chocolate, what's left, and orange sherbet.
Chocolate, orange sherbet.
Okay.
And she made banana split too, which I had is awesome. But she's got customers here, and she does a great job. And of course, provided some good toppings: chocolate, sea salt caramel, white chocolate, and of course the Hershey's. Can't go wrong with that. Cones, gotta go with cones too. They're over there getting the fireworks set up. People are starting to show up. Some friends and people, some people that still live here and stuff. So we're all kind of, sort of, social distancing. At least I am, because I gotta make sure I stay away from people so I can go back out to the boat. So I'll wait till the fireworks start and I'll show it all to you. Oh, God. One went into the trees. Another one went into the trees. Wow. The next day was my last day in the morning with Carolyn, RV Rebel Girl. I didn't get much video done, but check out this butterfly. It was so beautiful. It just stayed on her door. But wait till you see here in a moment what else this butterfly does. I mean, look at the colors of this butterfly. Isn't she beautiful? But she made a good choice where she landed next. Check this out. Guess where she landed? She saw that red next to my name. She picked it perfectly. I want to say I had a wonderful time with you, Carolyn, RV Rebel Girl, and I can't wait till we do this again. Love you, my friend.